Stop before you spend another $1 on anti-aging creams, serums, or collagen supplements. I need to show you something that dermatologists rarely talk about. I am Dr. Romalia, and in my years of working with women's health, I have seen something over and over again that no beauty brand will ever put in their advertising. Two women, same age, same skin, one looks 10 years younger than the other. And the difference? It is not her moisturizer. It is not her diet. It is not even her genetics. It is the way she holds her body. Today, I am sharing 5 specific posture moves that are scientifically proven to make women over 50 look and feel dramatically younger. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will never look at your posture the same way again. Before we get into the moves, I want to ground everything I am sharing today in real science, because you deserve facts, not trends. A landmark study published in the journal Spine found that forward head posture, that position where your chin juts forward and your shoulders round, adds an estimated 10 pounds of compressive force on your cervical spine for every inch your head moves forward. Most women over 50 carry their head 2 to 3 inches forward without even knowing it. That is 20 to 30 extra pounds of pressure crushing your spine every single day. A 2019 study published in JAMA Internal Medicine followed over 1,500 women over the age of 50 and found that women with poor spinal alignment had significantly higher rates of fatigue, chronic pain, and even depressive symptoms compared to women with upright posture. Research from Ohio State University confirmed that upright posture actually increases testosterone levels and decreases cortisol, meaning good posture is not just about how you look. It literally changes your hormones. And here is the one that shocked even me. A study from the National Institute of Health found that a stooped posture reduces lung capacity by up to 30% in older women. Less oxygen, less energy, faster aging from the inside out. Now here is what the skin science says. A 2021 paper in Aesthetic Surgery Journal confirmed that gravitational facial descent, meaning the sagging and drooping of skin on your face and neck, is accelerated significantly by forward head posture and rounded shoulders. The very position your body defaults to when you are tired, stressed, or sitting at a screen is mechanically pulling your face downward. So when women ask me, Dr. Romalia, what is the best anti-aging treatment? I tell them the truth. Fix your posture first. Everything else comes after. I want you to do something right now. Wherever you are sitting or standing, freeze. Do not fix anything. Just notice how your body is positioned. Is your chin poking forward? Are your shoulders rounding toward the screen? Is your lower back flat or slumping into your chair? Are you breathing in shallow little sips? If you recognized yourself in even one of those descriptions, you are not alone and you are not broken. You are a woman living in a modern world that was not designed for your body. Here's what happens to women's posture after 50 that nobody talks about. First, estrogen decline. When estrogen drops during and after menopause, collagen production in your ligaments and spinal discs decreases. This makes it physically harder to maintain an upright position because the structural support in your spine literally weakens. This is not a willpower problem. This is biology. Second, muscle atrophy. After 50, women lose between 1 and 2% of muscle mass every single year without targeted resistance activity. The muscles most responsible for holding you upright, your deep core, your mid-back rhomboids, your glutes, are the first to go underused in a sedentary lifestyle. Third, cumulative postural habits. 30 years of desk work, phone use, driving, and caregiving, often in positions that crunch your front body and lengthen your back body, create what physical therapists call postural amnesia. Your body literally forgets what upright feels like. And fourth, and this is the one that breaks my heart the most, many women over 50 have been told to just accept this, that it is a natural part of aging, that their body is just changing. That is not true. And today I am going to prove it to you. These 5 moves are not yoga. They are not a generic stretch routine. Each one targets a specific structural problem that causes postural collapse in women over 50. I recommend doing this sequence daily, and the entire routine takes less than 12 minutes. Move 1. The chin tuck, your neck lift without surgery. The single most important posture correction you can make is reversing forward head posture, and the chin tuck is the most clinically validated way to do it. A study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that just 4 weeks of consistent chin tucks significantly reduced neck pain and improved cervical alignment in participants with forward head posture. Here is how to do it correctly. Sit or stand tall. Without tilting your chin down, slide your head straight back like you are making a double chin on purpose. You should feel a gentle lengthening at the base of your skull. Hold for 5 seconds. Release slowly. Repeat 10 times. This is not about tucking your chin to your chest. It is a horizontal retraction, pulling your head back over your spine where it belongs. Why does this make you look younger? Because when your head sits correctly on your spine, the muscles of your neck and jaw naturally lift. The skin along your jawline tightens visually. The heaviness under your chin decreases. This is mechanical. It is gravity working with your body instead of against it. Do 2 sets of 10 repetitions every single morning before you check your phone. Move 2, the thoracic extension, reversing the dowager's hump. The thoracic spine, the middle section of your back, is where postural collapse shows up most visibly in women over 50. When this area stiffens and rounds forward, it creates what is commonly called a dowager's hump, and it is one of the most aging visual features of the spine. Research published in Osteoporosis International found that thoracic kyphosis, the medical term for that forward rounding, is present in over 40% of women over 60 and is directly linked to fracture risk, reduced breathing capacity, and balance problems. But here's the good news. The thoracic spine responds faster to targeted mobility work than almost any other region of the body. Here's the move. Sit in a firm chair. Clasp your hands behind your head gently, not pulling. Let your elbows open wide. Now gently arch backward over the back of the chair so your upper back extends over the chair edge. You should feel a gentle opening across your chest and mid-back. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Return slowly. Repeat 8 to 10 times. If you do not have a firm chair, you can roll a bath towel tightly. Place it horizontally across your mid-back while lying on the floor and gently let your upper spine open over it. This move directly counteracts the forward collapse pattern. Women in my practice who do this consistently for 3 weeks report not only less back pain, but that other people start commenting that they look taller and more confident. Move 3, the wall angel, retraining your shoulders. Rounded shoulders are one of the fastest ways your body communicates age, even before your face does. When your shoulders roll forward, your chest collapses, your breathing becomes shallow, and the front of your neck gets compressed, pulling everything downward. A 2020 study in the Journal of Back and Musculoskeletal Rehabilitation found that shoulder retraction exercises significantly improved both posture alignment and self-reported confidence in women over 45 in just 6 weeks. The wall angel retrains the neuromuscular pattern of your shoulders without equipment, without a gym, and without risk. Stand with your back against a wall. Your head, upper back, and tailbone should all be touching the wall. Bring your arms up into a goal post position, elbows bent at 90 degrees, upper arms at shoulder height against the wall. Now slowly slide your arms upward like you are making a snow angel, keeping your wrists and elbows in contact with the wall the entire time. Slide up as far as you can without your lower back arching away from the wall, then slowly slide back down. Repeat 10 times. This looks simple. It is not. Most women over 50 discover their arms cannot fully flatten against the wall when they first try. That is exactly the information your body needs, and that limitation is exactly what this move begins to correct. Your rhomboids, lower trapezius, and rotator cuff muscles wake up. Your chest opens. Your shoulders begin to sit back and down where they belong. And when your shoulders are back, your whole face lifts. Move 4, the dead bug core activation, the real anti-aging secret. Here is something most women do not know. The muscles responsible for keeping you upright are your deep core muscles, specifically your transverse abdominis and your multifidus, not your superficial abs. Traditional sit-ups do almost nothing for postural support, and after 50, these deep stabilizers become chronically underactivated. Research from the Spine Journal established that deep core dysfunction is one of the primary drivers of lumbar postural collapse, the lower back flattening and pelvis tucking under that gives the body a compressed, shortened appearance. The dead bug exercise is one of the safest and most effective deep core activation tools available. Physical therapists use it for post-operative spine patients because it is that controlled and that effective. Lie on your back. Press your lower back gently into the floor. Bring both arms straight up toward the ceiling. Bring both knees up to a 90-degree tabletop position. This is your starting position. Now slowly lower your right arm behind your head while simultaneously extending your left leg straight out, hovering both just above the floor. Pause. Return to start. Switch sides. That is 1 repetition. Do 8 to 10 per side. The goal is that your lower back stays connected to the floor throughout every repetition. The moment it arches, you have gone beyond your current core capacity. Smaller range is always better than lost control. When your deep core fires correctly, your pelvis finds its natural position, your lumbar curve is restored, your diaphragm can expand fully, and your height, your actual standing height, can increase by ½ an inch to a full inch. Not metaphorically, literally. Move 5. The hip flexor release with glute bridge, the pelvic reset. If there is one posture problem that accelerates aging from the waist down, it is chronically tight hip flexors combined with underactive glutes. And this combination is epidemic in women over 50. When you sit for extended periods, your hip flexors, the muscles that connect your lower spine to your thigh bone, shorten and stiffen. At the same time, your glutes, the largest and most important postural muscles in your body, switch off completely. Researchers call this gluteal amnesia, and it is a real and documented phenomenon. A study published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy found that women with tight hip flexors and weak glutes had measurably worse lumbar alignment, more anterior pelvic tilt, and greater appearance of abdominal protrusion, even among women who were not overweight. This is a 2-part move. First, the hip flexor release. Kneel on your right knee with your left foot forward. Keep your torso upright. Do not lean forward. Gently push your right hip forward until you feel a deep stretch in the front of your right hip and thigh. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Switch sides. Breathe deeply through the stretch. Do not rush this part. Second, immediately follow with the glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press your feet into the floor and squeeze your glutes as you lift your hips toward the ceiling. At the top, your body should form a straight diagonal line from your knees to your shoulders. Hold for 2 seconds at the top. Lower slowly. Repeat 12 to 15 times. When you combine these 2 moves, you release the muscles that pull your pelvis out of alignment and activate the muscles that hold it in alignment. The result is a longer, leaner appearance through your midsection, a more upright lumbar curve, and a walking gait that is more confident, more fluid, and unmistakably younger. I want to take 60 seconds to talk about something that goes beyond the musculoskeletal system, because I know many of you came here because you want to look younger, not just move better. When your posture collapses forward, several things happen to your face specifically. Your platysma muscle, the broad, flat muscle that runs from your collarbone up to your jaw, shortens and tightens. This pulls the lower face and jowls downward. It is one of the primary contributors to that sagging jawline that so many women struggle with after 50. Additionally, forward head posture compresses the lymphatic drainage pathways in your neck. Lymph cannot circulate freely, and fluid pools in your face, contributing to puffiness, dullness, and under-eye heaviness. And finally, shallow breathing, which is the automatic result of collapsed posture, means your cells are receiving less oxygen. Skin that is chronically under-oxygenated is dull, thin, and slow to repair. No serum in the world compensates for poor cellular oxygenation. When you correct your posture, you are not just standing taller, you are restoring your facial anatomy, improving your lymphatic circulation, and increasing the oxygen supply to every cell in your skin. That is why the results of posture correction often register on the face before they register anywhere else. Let me give you your complete daily sequence. Every morning, 2 sets of 10 chin tucks before you touch your phone. Mid-morning, or after sitting for 30 minutes, 10 thoracic extensions over your chair. Before lunch, 10 wall angels against any flat wall. Afternoon, 10 dead bug repetitions per side on your floor or yoga mat. Evening, hip flexor release for 30 to 45 seconds per side, followed by 15 glute bridges. Total time, under 12 minutes. Total cost, $0. I want to ask you to do 3 things right now. First, if this information gave you something real and science-based that you have never heard before, hit that subscribe button. Every week I bring you health content grounded in real research designed specifically for women over 50 who deserve honest answers, not marketing. Second, I want to hear from you in the comments right now. Tell me this. Which one of these 5 moves revealed something surprising about your body today? Was it the wall angel, the dead bug, the chin tuck? Comment below, because your answer helps me understand exactly what to teach you next, and it helps other women in this community find what they need. Third, if you have a friend, a sister, a mother, or a colleague over 50 who is spending money on anti-aging products while sitting in a collapsed posture all day, share this video with her. Not to shame her, to give her the information that actually works. I am Dr. Romalia, and I will say to you what I say to every woman who walks into my practice. Your body is not done with you. It is waiting for you to give it the right inputs. These 5 moves are those inputs. I will see you in the next video, and until then, stand tall, because how you carry yourself is the first thing the world sees and the first thing time tries to take from you. Take it back.